is you would shut them down. So I want to shut them down at this wedding. I know it's not about me, but I just want people to smell me. And so putting this together, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to do my full review of AI the Great in partnership with NAVITUS Parfums. We are going to do my full review on this beauty, Ambrosia Imperiale. Okay, and so if you're interested in hearing my full thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. Welcome. But it's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family. Hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. Okay. Y'all, I'm not gonna cry, but y'all been showing out. Okay, come on, touch that subscribe button and join the family. Well, I am so glad you all decided to join this family. But hey, let's get into it. These are my full thoughts. As you all know, I just did my first impression because it just came in. So I was, all over the place, all over the place. What's new? But I wanted to give you all my full thoughts. I've been wearing this beauty for quite a while, okay? And so I have some thoughts. Pretty much they haven't changed. So this video is going to be quicker than normal. But this is the box. If you all haven't gotten yours, I can't wait till you all get yours. Like, seriously. But this is such a beautiful box, beautiful packaging. Like I've said before, I have a few Nativus Parfums. So this is not my first, but again, this is the most luxe packaging that I have received thus far from Nativus, which I'm not surprised because AI is very a luxe type of woman, and I would expect nothing less than the bomb packaging. But this is how it comes, and it comes open, and this is just such a beautiful case, y'all. Okay, but I did not mention it does have this card which has the notes in there, which I think is also really good. Other Nativus Parfums do have a card that has the notes, but this one, of course, it got to be different. It's a rectangle. The other ones I've received before, it was a square. So we still gotta be, it's okay. We gotta be different in a rectangle. If it's the length of the bottle. Okay. I see you, sis. Okay. But let's get into it. I hope that you all have enjoyed. Some of you all definitely have, because I've been trying to watch other reviews and see what you all think, you know what I'm saying? But this is still packaging 10 out of 10. Okay, let's just get there. Packaging is still a 10 out of 10. Now, I would say, let's go to versatile. Like, is it versatile? Sis, could I wear this anywhere? I would say yes. This is a very versatile fragrance. Whoop, baby, I just sprayed again. Okay. But this is a very versatile fragrance. She is so pretty. Now, this top, it's not magnetic, but it is so classy, and it has like detailing in the cap. Like, this is such a classy bottle. Definitely versatile. You can wear this to an event. You can wear this to work. You can wear this in the house if you want to, like me. You can wear it wherever you want to go. Oh my goodness. And I can't wait to test this out in fall, winter, because I really want to see what it does in fall, winter. Because I would love like a fruity thing that sticks on my body all day. I would love that in like fall, winter. I would love like a fruity. Normally in the winter, fall season, I normally go towards like heavier gourmands, like a caramel or, something like that. Something that's really like thick and syrupy.
Oh, why is it sticky like that? What is this? No.
Which this is not. This is very light. This is definitely has the banana, has the fruit like note in it, but it's not like this cloying heaviness that you might get like in a fall season. So I'm excited to see if this really also performs in fall, winter. But this season, honey, I'm gonna be wearing this. Y'all gonna be wearing your bottle? Y'all better be wearing your bottle. You done paid the money. But I'm gonna be wearing my bottle. So good. Okay, so occasion. So I will say, let's even talk about combination wise an occasion, okay? Because I have a wedding that is coming up around the corner, and I've been thinking about like what fragrance am I going to wear? I think I'm about to bring her, okay? I think I'm bringing her, but I was thinking about like what else can I put with her? Say less, as AI says. Say less. Honey, I'm bringing MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold. Okay, I test this combo in the house.
It worked! It worked!
And I said, you might want to get dressed right now and go somewhere because you would shut them down. So I want to shut them down at this wedding. I know it's not about me, but I just want people to smell me. And so putting this together, honey, combination for the world. Okay, so if you have your MFK, trust, put this together. Another combination that I did, and it almost knocked me off my socks, like, and everybody else around me because I got compliments. Okay, so I also combined this baby right here and Mango Skin, okay, from Van Helm Perfumery, okay? So I did a little Ambrosia Imperiale, a little Mango Skin. Honey, you would have thought that I meant to have the men follow me. You would have thought that was what I was aiming to do. That combination is so beautiful and pretty and fruity and bright. Honey, that mango, that banana, get your life. So if you got that, tell me. Get that combination, okay? Moving on. Now, price, honey, I checked today and I think I got some bad news because we did have the 30% off, right, for it, and now it is, I think, gone. Maybe they'll re-up on it, but I think it's gone for now. But it is $245. But is it worth it? Absolutely. This is such a beautiful, this is beautiful from when my first reaction of it, I still have the same reaction. You know why I still have the same reaction? You know why you can do a first impression on this?
Why?
Let me tell you. I'm going to tell you. Because you're like, well, tell us, sis. I got you. Well, because this lasts all throughout the day, the night. This, I had to literally scrub off my body. I don't know if you all experienced that, but this lasts a very long time. Okay? 8+. I'm not even 10+. 12+ hours. Okay? This lasts so long. Okay? And so, but it lasts the same throughout the entire experience. Okay? So my first impression of this beauty, and this is beautiful, and this is amazing. That first initial impression is the same as I'm telling you now. It's still good. It's amazing. Okay? Sis put her big pinky toe Well, not physically put her pinky toe in it, y'all. But she put her foot, well, not again her foot, but she put her, okay, up in this, okay? She absolutely threw down on this fragrance to make sure that the fragrance community that she is also a part of, that she is also like, to me, like a leader, a queen in, that we had a great fragrance, okay? For the seasons, for the masses, okay? All right, and she did it, okay? So proud of her, but this is such a beauty. And that's why your first impression, trust me when I say, you wear it as a time or 2 or 20, it's going to be your lasting impression. Like, so those who don't like first impression, guess what? You're going to get the same thing. Now, sis, does this lean feminine, masculine, male? What we doing? To me, this is for everybody, everywhere, okay? Cats, dogs, like, no, not cats, dogs. But to me, this is for everyone that, like, oh my God, like this, I could see a man, oh my gosh. Don't hurt yourself. I could see a man wearing this, even as, like, I don't think it leans more one way or the other. I think anyone could get down with this. Like, this is definitely unisex. This is definitely will fit anyone's vibe. Now, do I know that some people will not care for this? Sure, I'm sure people are out there that will not care for that. I mean, I think, like, I do not like, personally, a banana, like a real banana. I would like, I would have to be in a mood for a banana. Like, not to say I don't like banana, but I have to be in a mood for banana. I can't have banana. And then banana candy, I can't do nobody's banana candy. Nope, I can't do none of that. But the smell of banana, I love the smell of banana. I love the smell of a banana. Like, I love that type of smell, but me eating it, consuming it, nah, that ain't for me. But this is so pretty. And like I said, I keep saying, like, this, it gives me also, like, not just the banana, and it is in there, but it also gives me, like, this tropical type of vibe. I know that maybe some of you all were turned off by me saying Fanta. So I have never had a banana Foster. I've never experienced that. So I cannot say that this smells like banana Foster, as AI has experienced and has said, like, kind of what her thought process was in this. I've not experienced that. So I'm not going to sit here and lie and say, oh yeah, it smells like banana Foster. I don't even know what that tastes like. What do that look like? Okay, I don't know. Okay, if somebody want to cook that up for me, and then I know, cool. But when I was comparing it to Fanta, like, that's just what popped up first in my mind. Not to say, like, this is like, oh yeah, this is like the drink Fanta. Like, that's just what pops up in my mind. That's what I can compare it with, like, honestly, you know, because I'm going to give you all my honest thoughts. Like, that's what I can compare it with. But it is definitely a rum, banana, like a fruity, like a good drink. Like, I would want to drink this. Like I said before, this gives me drink vibes, okay? But so much more. I mean, it's just so much more. I'm so happy that this was a winner and that this is in my collection. I am so satisfied with this purchase, and I really feel like, you know, some of you all, most of you all will be too. And if you're not, it's quite all right. But if you purchase it and you didn't like it, just send it to me, so then I can back about it. Okay, I just want to back about it. I got you. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, sis, compliments. So far I've had 2 compliments from 2 different men. One said, "Oh my gosh, you smell so good," and the other guy, he was like, "She always smells good." So was that a side compliment, or was that a real compliment that she always smelled good? Was that a, like, you don't have to give her a compliment because she always, like, anyway, men, but but I have gotten compliments, 2 of them. And so I am sure that you would get compliments. This is such a compliment getter. It is so addicting. When I tell you, I've been trying to wear other things so I can bring them to you all. I cannot get this out my system, okay? I can't put it down, okay? We're going to try next week to put this down. But again, longevity, packaging, scent, everything. Any questions? But it is beautiful, okay? The notes, we went over the notes before, but you got banana, you got rum, you got that orange. Ooh, Cillian, cinnamon, Divana, you have dates, you have orchid notes, you have jasmine, amberwood, caramel, vanilla, whipped cream, benzoin, musk, and saffron. You have the beautiful combination, the beautiful blended combination is in here. Help yourself and get you a bottle. Hopefully yours is on your way. I know some of you all's coming in June. Can't wait for you to get it. And let me tell you, you might want to go on and be in the live section when AI drops her videos on the premiere and all of that, and be in the group. Because the sister said in the video, I don't know if y'all caught it, but what she said was, y'all know how I am. She said she was coming out with a body cream, and I said, a body cream? When that coming? Sign me up. Can it come today? Like, if she put a body cream is coming up of Ambrosia Imperiale. Okay. Can we hurry that along? You know, whip it up, whip it good. Make sure it has, you know, the oils in it, like Skin Potion had the oil, like let oil it up and put the cream on. I know she about to hook us up with that cream too. So I'm waiting. And then she's gonna have another fragrance in the fall. We waiting, okay? Because if this is a winner, we can have winner seat. Like just partner with AI the Great Navitus for just the entire like conception. She just needs a line, okay? Because that's black women, black boss women. She just need a line, and we'll keep shutting your system down. Next time when the cream come out, just make sure your computer working right, okay? Make sure your website is together, because we done told you we coming out. So make sure the website's together, okay? So we don't have to have them problems next time, okay? And then when the next perfume, do the same thing, okay? And don't nobody steal from the warehouse like y'all tried to do for K. Alley. Well, that is all, family. That is all for my full review. Honey, do you enjoy this beauty right here? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts. Good, bad, indifferent. You know, I would love to hear it all. Would love to meet you and know you and get to know you all. Thank you so much again for subscribing. Please subscribe. Make sure the button is gray. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you, family. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, did. Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.